Hi, Russ Curran with Look Within, and I've got a cure for you for the hiccups. So if you get occasional hiccups from time to time, or if you're one of those people who, when you do get the hiccups, they just don't go away, and they become incredibly irritating, I've got the perfect cure for you. This is foolproof. It works every single time. It has never not worked for me over my entire life. I was taught as a kid, I don't know what age or who taught me, mom, relative, it doesn't really matter. The point is it works, and it works every time. And even though I don't have the hiccups myself right now, my daughter actually does. My daughter Sophia, who's 9, is going to be live proof on how this works. It's the 7-sip method, 7 small sips of water, consistently one after the other, without taking a breath, just small sips, and the hiccups will be gone. Proof positive every single time. So if you've got the hiccups, this is your cure. Enjoy. Here's my daughter. And this is further proof that the hiccup cure actually works. So this is my daughter Sophia, and unlike me, she actually has hiccups. We're going to wait till she has one live so we have proof. I'm laughing, just let her. Here it comes. Of course, you know, whenever you're on camera, everything takes longer, right? And she has the longest delay in hiccups ever recorded.
I hope they're not gone.
Oh my God.
Oh,
and there it is. Okay, so she's going to demonstrate the hiccup cure with 7 small sips of water, holding your nose. Here we go, Sophia.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, keep it together. Okay, and now we wait to get proof. And there was a long delay for the first one, so we're going to have to wait. So, let's find out. So, are your hiccups gone?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think to give actual proof, we're going to wait a little bit because there was a delay when she had them for it to come around again, and sure enough, she did have them. And she's looking right into the camera with that cute face. And we're going to wait. We're going to wait about another 10 seconds because I don't think hiccups can have an interval like that.
Count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No hiccups!
Hiccups.
Woo!
Awesome. Thank you, Soph.